Hi and hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Win Henry. Before starting this video, I will request you to subscribe my channel. It will be helpful for you to see this kind of videos more and more. I will tell you about a tablet Calpol. What is Calpol tablet and its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use, how drug works, safety advice, all these things I will tell you. First of all, I will tell you its introduction. Calpol. Calpol 500 milligram tablet is a medicine used to relieve pain and to reduce fever. It is used to treat many conditions such as headaches, body aches, toothaches, and the common cold. It works by inhibiting the release of certain chemicals that cause pain and fever. Calpol 500 milligram tablet may be prescribed alone, and this medicine may be prescribed alone or in combination with another medicine. You should take it regularly as advised by your doctor. It is usually best taken with food, otherwise it may upset your stomach. Do not take more or use it for longer than recommended. Side effects are rare if this medicine is used correctly, but this medicine may cause stomach pain, nausea and vomiting in some people. Consult your doctor if any of these side effects bother you or do not go away. This medicine is widely prescribed and considered safe but is not suitable for everybody. Before taking it, let your doctor know if you have liver or kidney problems or are using blood thinning medicines. It may affect the dose or suitability of this medicine. Let your doctor know about all the other medicines you are taking because they may affect or be affected by this medicine. Now going further, I will tell you about its uses and benefits. Uses of Calpol tablet is pain relief and treatment of fever. Benefits of Calpol tablet in pain relief. Calpol 50-100 milligram tablet is a common painkiller used to treat aches and pain. It works by blocking chemical messengers in the brain that tell us we have pain. It is effective in relieving pain caused by headache, migraine, nerve pain, toothache, sore throat, period pains, arthritis and muscles aches. This medicine is very widely used and very rarely causes side effects if taken at the right dosage. Take it as it is prescribed to get the most benefit. Do not take more or for longer than needed as that can be dangerous. In general, you should take the lowest dose that works for the shortest possible time. It is also the first choice of painkiller during pregnancy of breastfeeding. Now I will tell you that in treatment of fever, Calpol 500 milligram tablet is also used to reduce a high temperature fever. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messengers that cause fever. It may be prescribed alone or in combination with another medicine. You should take it regularly as advised by your doctor. Now I will tell you about its side effects. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Consult your doctor if they persist or if you are worried about them. Common side effects of Calpol: stomach pain, nausea and vomiting. How to use Calpol tablet? Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Swallow it as a whole. Do not chew, crush to break it. Calpol 500 milligram tablet is to be taken with food. Now I will tell you about safety advice. Alcohol unsafe, pregnancy consult your doctor, breastfeeding safe if prescribed, driving safe, kidney caution, liver caution. What if you forget to take Calpol tablet? If you miss a dose of Calpol 500 milligram tablet, take it as soon as possible. Hope you guys find this video informative. If you like it, press the bell button, share it with your friends. See you next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.